In this video, we'll talk about how to search for articles in the library's EBSCOhost databases. From the library's homepage, which you can get to by Googling Salve Library, click on the Articles tab in the middle of the page. This search box is searching only our EBSCOhost databases. You can choose to search our other databases below here, clicking on these links. JSTOR and ProQuest are big ones. Or you can see more databases by clicking on Databases by Subject, which lists databases by discipline or field, or Databases A to Z, if you know the name of the database you're looking for. So for now, we're going to look for EBSCO databases. So what we might search for this topic in art about sculpture. And let's see what comes back. This is our EBSCOhost interface. First thing to look at is how many results we got, and we got 275, which tells us that we can do a little limiting if we want. You can click peer-reviewed if you only want peer-reviewed scholarly journals. You can click full text as well if you only want resources that are available immediately, but I suggest that you don't click this if you have a little time, because there might be very good resources which you can get easily through interlibrary loan. If we click on peer-reviewed, for example, that takes us down to only 21 articles, which tells us we ruled out quite a few, and we may want to reconsider that if we don't find what we're looking for. The first thing that it shows is the title. This is the journal title, so the article title, journal title, and the date that it was released. We can also click here and see all of the subject headings. So the nice thing about EBSCO is that it offers subject headings, and these describe precisely what the article is about, and they're different than keywords. The keyword is only appearing somewhere in the article record, whereas the subject heading is really about the meat of the article. In this case, we see that there is a subject heading for the destruction of Tilted Arc, the artwork. And if we'd like to, we can click on that and it'll redo our search for only articles that are about the destruction of the Tilted Arc. This left us with only one result, which was too narrow. So we'll go back again and see our other results. The next thing to look at is the access options. So right here, this article is not immediately available to us in the EBSCO databases, but if we click on Find Full Text Request this item, it'll search all of our other databases. It found that this article, they were unable to find direct full text links for the item, which means it's not in another database. But if you click on Request through Interlibrary Loan, it will automatically fill out all the information that is required in that interlibrary loan form, as well if you're logged into your email or Canvas as your information, and you can hit Submit. The interlibrary loan librarians work 7 days a week during the semester, so our turnaround time tends to be between 1 and 3 days for e-resources like our articles that are sent through interlibrary loan. Another option is that you might see Access Now PDF, and if we click on that, it will take us right into our PDF. From here, you can download the PDF or get the citation by clicking on these little quotes. You choose your citation style, such as Chicago, and you can copy and paste your citation here. Keep in mind that these citations are automatically generated and may contain incorrect punctuation or other information, so it's good to double check them before you put them in your paper. If we hit the back button again, we can also see other options, which include, let's see if we have an access option. Let's see what this one does for us. This is taking us into our other database. So this is what it looks like when it automatically redirects us. So this one was checking to see find full text, place interlibrary loan, and it took us into Kind Online. This is an interesting one because it's actually by the creator of the work, and it is in the Cardoza Arts and Entertainment Law Journal. So there's a lot of different content in our EBSCOhost databases because EBSCO is also indexing articles that are not in the database that are in other databases. So EBSCOhost is often a good place to start for your research.